get some biggity biscuits. Hey, woo woo. Okay, testing audio. I think we're working. Hey, it's a rainy Thursday here at Thursday Thunder and the Repossible Podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Schravino. I'm working on Worst Book Ever, or First Book Ever. We are building up the attendees, the students, the future authors, even if it's just their only book, ideally in February this year. Hey, Pep. Hey, Pep, come on. I want Pepper to leave. I would like to mention one thing today, and in fact, it's only one word. And that is, I have a book, and it's called The One Word Book That Will Probably Change Your Life. And the reason I want to do this is twofold. One, I want you to see and take in the word. I'm not going to tell you the word. You have to buy the book. Sorry, the book's free. You don't need to buy it. It's available at all the booksellers, at bol.com, I think. It's even available on audiobook. That one's not, I can't make that free. That's not free. Although, pretty short audiobook, right? There's like a foreword and a prologue and an afterlog, and that's all longer than the book. Because I'm not kidding. The book is really one word long. And this is a little bit also what I want to get across, is that I had one idea, one word, and it's such a powerful word that I felt it didn't need anything more. If you take in this word and you just think, this is the only word I need. There was a runner-up word too. The runner-up word was love. Give you a little sneak peek. That's not the word, right? There's another word, kind of related, but even bigger in a way. That's the word. So, that's not the word. I didn't tell you the word yet. You got to get the book. Come on, Bet. I just heard a big boom and he gets scared. I wanna gift you that book. So I'll put links below. And remember, it's free. You can also search for it on any platform. But what I really want to get across is the idea that this is what some may call, not a book, because it's only one word, right? Peppa, go on, Pep. Stokey Stoke. Good boy, come on. All these big booms in the background. I don't know if you can hear them. I think they're like destroying some building. Hey, Peppa, good boy. All right, hey, we got to get going. So, hey, remember that? It's a short book, right? It's one word. But this is my point. This is also why I'm putting together the program again that we're going to be running. And I've thought of also calling it your shortest book ever. I mean, one word's kind of hard to beat, but you can do it. What if you just had this one idea, this one word, and that's it, and you're done. You put a cover on it, ideally like a prologue to explain the backstory behind this book, maybe an afterword to say like why you wrote this book or why you put together this one word, why this one word is so important to you. And that's it. Maybe your book is 3 pages. That's fine. And I know people freak out and say, no, a book is 287 pages. What are you talking about? I need to struggle for 7 years and like go through 2 divorces and become an alcoholic. And well, you could go that route. But what if you just wrote a really short book? And what if we did it together in 10 days and you're done? And then you start and you finish and you accomplish something and boom, you have this one thing. And maybe it's one word. Hey, Pep, go on, Pep. Good boy. Hey, I got to go. Things to do. I got dogs to herd, corral. Hi, Pepsi, good boy, yeah? Okay, uh, I'll put a link below to the book, and come join us for Worst Book Ever. It's also called First Book Ever. Maybe I was going to call it Shortest Book Ever. It can be a do-it-yourself course. You can always use the code THUNDER to get 25% off any course on the Repossible platform. But go check out that book first. See how I put together a single one-word idea and package that. Because here's another little element of this. I was looking into, what do they call that, dreaming? Not clarity dreaming, lucid dreaming. And lucid dreaming, what they say is, okay, you dream and then you wake up, and before you do anything, like try to write down some notes. So what you're doing is reinforcing the dream you had. I mean, you know how fast it just flitters away, right? So quickly take down some notes, and that reinforces your knowledge, your understanding, your experience with that dream. This is similar. Take your one idea. Now, what if you said, here's my one idea, and I say, Here's my one idea. You want to hear it? Yeah, here it is. Purple dogs eat bananas. That's my idea. And you think, okay, Pepper, come on. And by the end of the day, you're probably going to forget that idea. Unless this idea is so important to you that you want to expand on it, you want to deepen it, you want to deepen your own understanding for it. This is the reason I write a lot of my books. I've got some idea. I want to like get it out there. I need to get it out of like the soup of my brain and reinforce it in my heart, so to speak. And then, I give birth to it, and then it's out in the wild, and I have clarity and peace and focus. That was good. I like that. Who doesn't want that? Okay, check out that book. Um, Come join us to write your first or your worst or your shortest book ever in February this year. Coupon code Thunder, 25% off. I'm Bradley Charbonneau. This is Thursday Thunder because I'm practicing out here. This is what I do every week. This is what I write every day. I create every day because some of these are going to be good. Some are going to be great. Some are going to be crap. But if I don't do it, then I'm never going to get the good stuff either. So come write your worst book so it gets it out of your system so your next book will be better. And remember, it's not just about books either. What if you want to get better at audio or video or creating or painting or your projects or your work or who cares what it is? Practice, get it out of your system, embellish, bring it in, and then it'll sink in and you'll have it better. Hey, Pep, come on. I got to go. All right. Have a great Thursday. Bye. Hey, Pep. Give it a pip, Pep. Boy, yeah. Good thing you said.